Okay, so this is a joke, okay? It's usually in Portuguese, but I'll try to do it in English. So, there was an elephant in a net. So, the elephant saved the ant. Is it ant?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Saved the ant, and then they fell in love with each other. Okay?
Yeah.
So then they wanted to get married. So they had to ask Little Lion, me, they had to ask Little Lion for the permission to get married. And Lion said, okay, if you guys love each other, go ahead and get married. So they did. And then on the honeymoon, they were having sex.
They were
Elephant
fucking.
and the ant. They were fucking at same sex. And then like the little ant was like, the balls, the balls, the balls. And then I was like, oh my god, she wants the balls. Okay. And then the elephant was like, doing the thing. And then she was like, she kept screaming, oh, the balls, the balls, the balls. And the elephant was like, what balls? She was like,